Simple calculations. From the Run Matrix menu, we're going to take a look at some simple calculations. In there, we're going to go into Execute to go into the Run Matrix. We'll do some simple calculations involving fractions, powers, and do some order of operations as well. Whole numbers all work the same way as they normally do, so no need to go into all that. But let's go into fractions. Open up a fraction template. 1, toggle down to the denominator. 2, that's 1/2. We're going to go ahead and add to that 1/3. This time I'll do it slightly differently. I'll start with 1. ABC, that's the fraction template. You notice now I get the fraction template. 1/3. Press execute. Do the same with improper fractions. If you want to start out with 6/5, for example, add to that 1/3. You get your answer as 23/15. 23/15. That's an improper fraction. You can set up your main menu to do that differently. If you want to change it to a decimal, just use the form to decimal key right above the number 8. Change that back. Let's take a look at some powers. There's two ways to do some powers. We can do x squared. We can also raise it using the caret key. So 5 to the second power, or 5 raised to the third power. Notice the template raises and shrinks the power. Roots, we'll do roots very similar. Square root, shift x squared, 24. Execute, you get your answer in simplified radical form. If you want to do higher order powers, you use the template, which is right above the caret key. You want to do the 5th root of 128, for example. You get the decimal approximation. Calculator does understand order of operations, so 7 plus 8 times 9 will give you the answer. It will do the multiplication first, then the addition.